All right, everybody, welcome back to my channel. Eclipse is here. As you can see, the orange one is there as well. So I was just test fitting the wing on this Eclipse. So the reason of this video today that I'm making is just to give you an update what's going on real quick, and also I have a surprise. So first thing first, Eclipse GSX, they've been torn apart. Did a bunch of sanding, fixing Bondo. I've still been kind of delaying it here and there. Kind of hot over here these last few weeks, but yeah, I'm slowly doing it here and there. Like I said, engine is ready, everything's ready. I just need to push her in the garage and paint it after, of course, I'm done sanding it. The GS Eclipse, the OZ Rally one, it's just been sitting, kicking back, nothing much. As you can see, tires and everything is dirty. It rained here a few days ago, and yeah, she's just been sitting and kicking back. Like I said, nothing wrong with it. I do have actually one problem, which is a camshaft seal is leaking, so I ordered me 2 of them. I'll be replacing that pretty soon, and I'm gonna make a video of that as well. But anyway, so now for the surprise. I know I tried to stay away from the Eclipses and finally finish them and keep going, look for bigger things. But yeah, I got a problem. So I ended up purchasing 2 more Eclipses. Exactly for what reason, I'm gonna tell you right now. The black Eclipse drives. It has a problem with alternator not charging, so alternator is bad. The white Eclipse does not run, doesn't have a computer. It's a 98 RS, so it doesn't have a computer. This is 99 GS. The main reason I bought them is for this Eclipse. So a lot of these parts that is on this Eclipse, these 2 Eclipses, will be donated to that Eclipse. I might be getting this one going just for maybe even selling it, I don't know yet, but mostly I'm getting stuff off of this Eclipse for the parts for the orange. Exterior parts, interior parts will match without a problem. 2G, they're all same. This one here has like I said, everything works except the alternator. Everything looks all right. It even came with the battery, so gotta work on that one. This Eclipse here, on the other hand, it's mess inside. Have a lot of stuff bad, but like I said, it's gonna be a donor car. We'll mostly strip it and get rid of it. The black Eclipse, other than dirt, interior looks pretty good. So it's at some point it was gray, and yeah, it's bad. So like I said, interior is pretty good, not damaged. The thing I really like is the dash. So this dash will go on the GSX. Sunroof was as well. The seal is pretty darn good, so I'm gonna be moving that as well. The white one have rims, but they have a lot of curb rash. The GS camshaft seals coming pretty soon. We'll do that as well. Still debating on the wing. What should I do? Carbon fiber or a regular one? But yeah, anyway, really appreciate you guys checking out. Of course, if you're new, consider subscribing, like and share, and I'll see you guys next time. Latest.